Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to take you through on how to install Zotero 6 on your Word document. So it's a straightforward steps of which I will take you through in the shortest time possible. But before we dive into the actual thing, we need first to understand what is Zotero. And Zotero, in fact, is a free and open source reference management software designed to help researchers, scholars, and students organize their bibliography data and to streamline the citation processes. Some of the key features of Zotero, this one, is that it allows the web browser integration, reference organization, citation management, PDF management, collaboration, offline access, and syncing. And the advantages of the Zotero is that it is a powerful tool for academic and research purposes, which help mostly the scholars and the researchers and students to stay organized and efficient in their work. It is available for Windows. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms, and it is supported by a number of community of users and developers. So I'll take you directly to the whole thing. So step number one, you download your you download the Zotero. After that, next step is to install it. After installing it, you will open your Zotero. As you can see, I've already installed it. Okay, after installing Zotero, as you can see, this is the home page. We have the file, edit, view, tools and help. So go directly to the tools. You click on this one and go to the add-on button. Click on this one. Then for this one, confirm whether the Zotero LibreOffice integration is disabled, meaning that it is already enabled, so you don't have to do anything. Then for this other one, it's Zotero Word or with integration disabled, meaning that this is for you disable if it is not, if it is enabled. But so far this one is enabled and enabled, so you don't need to do anything on this. Okay, having done that, go to the edit on the menu bar. For the menu bar, we have the file, edit, view, tools and help. Then you go to preferences, as you can see. Then you click there. Then for this one, we have the general, we have the sync, search, export, cite, and advanced. Go to the cite. For the cite, you click the word. For the word, you click this one. You will find that the first installment, this one will be install Microsoft Word add-in. So you click this one. Then after you click this one, you click OK. Then after clicking OK, go to your Word document. As you can see, mine is already installed. It has already been installed. So it's supposed to be like that. Okay, having done that, go to your Word. Then if you have successfully done the whole thing, you'll find that on the menu bar where you have the file, home, insert, page layout, preferences, mailing, review, view, and there'll be another one. So we'll have a Zotero there. So we have successfully added Zotero to our Word document. So those are the steps that you're supposed to follow to add the Zotero on your Word. So thank you for taking time, and if you have any question or any kind of query, just write it down on the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Like and don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue supporting the channel. Bye bye.